Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Zayd Haji, an author, researcher, and student of Islamic sciences. My work explores the space where ethical finance, spiritual values, and purposeful living intersect. With a background in banking and Islamic studies, I write to make complex ideas clear and speak to reconnect modern minds with timeless principles. I'm not here to impress, I'm here to reflect, question, and contribute with sincerity. In this brief episode, we'll explore ABB India, its operations, financials, business segments, and growth footprint. All insights shared are based on public data and are intended purely for educational purposes. Let's get started. The story behind ABB India. A legacy of power and innovation. ABB India is a publicly listed company based in India and forms part of a much larger international organization known as the ABB Group. To understand how ABB India came into being, it's important to travel back through more than a century of industrial history across Europe. The origins of ABB Group trace back to 1883 when a Swedish company called Asea AB was founded. Asea quickly became a key player in bringing electricity into homes and businesses across Sweden. It also played a major role in building and electrifying the country's railway network. By the 1940s and 1950s, Asia had successfully expanded into major sectors like power generation, mining, and steel production, helping industrialize Sweden and laying the foundation for modern infrastructure. Meanwhile, over in Switzerland, another engineering pioneer was taking shape. In 1891, Brown Boveri was founded, later renamed BBC Brown Boveri E. This company started out focusing on turbines and power generation, and as the 20th century progressed, it expanded steadily across Europe. BBC diversified into various areas of electrical engineering and became a recognized name in the global power and automation space. Then came a major turning point in January 1988. Recognizing the potential of combining their strengths, AZAB and BBC Brown Boveri AG decided to merge almost all of their operations. They formed a new company, Asea Brown Boveri Limited. Each company owned 50% of this joint venture. It was a strategic move that allowed them to pool their resources, share expertise, and scale their operations worldwide. As time went on, the structure of the ABB Group evolved to become more streamlined. In 1996, the two founding companies changed their names. Asea AB became ABAB and BBC Brown Boveri AG became ABAG. A few years later, in February 1999, ABB initiated a major restructuring to simplify its corporate identity. The goal was to create a single parent holding company with a single class of shares, making it easier for investors and stakeholders to engage with the company. This restructuring led to the creation of ABB Limited, which was officially incorporated on March 5, 1999 under Swiss law. By June 1999, AB Limited had taken over as the holding company for the entire AB Group. This was made possible through a share exchange. ABB Limited issued its own shares to the shareholders of ABBG and ABAB, effectively acquiring full ownership of both. From then on, ABB Limited became the global face of the group, with its shares listed on multiple stock exchanges, including the SIX Swiss Exchange, the Nasdaq OMX Stockholm Exchange, and the New York Stock Exchange, where it trades in the form of American Depository Shares ADS. Today, AB India operates as part of this global powerhouse. While headquartered in India and governed by Indian corporate laws, it draws strength from over a century of innovation, mergers, and global collaboration. It continues to serve as a critical player in India's industrial and infrastructure development, backed by the engineering excellence and global reach of the ABB Group. Meet the leadership behind ABB India. Driving innovation and excellence, ABB India's success is no accident. Behind its cutting-edge technologies and large-scale infrastructure solutions is a team of accomplished leaders, each bringing deep expertise and a clear vision for the future. Here's a closer look at the people steering AB India forward. Adrian Gugisberg, chairperson at the helm of AB India's board, is Adrian Gugisberg, who serves as the chairperson. He brings a global perspective and strategic insight, ensuring that the company stays aligned with the broader goals of the ABB Group while addressing the unique needs of the Indian market. Carolina Granat, Director Carolina Granat, plays a key role on the board as a director. She supports governance and oversight responsibilities while helping to shape AB India's organizational culture and long-term growth strategies. Sanjeev Sharma, Managing Director. Sanjeev Sharma is the Managing Director of ABB India and the driving force behind the company's operations in the country. With his deep understanding of the Indian industrial landscape, he leads the business with a strong focus on sustainability, innovation, and customer value. Under his leadership, ABB India has continued to expand its presence across critical sectors. T. Sridhar, Chief Financial Officer (CFO), handling the financial backbone of the company is T. K. Sridhar, AB India's Chief Financial Officer. He is responsible for financial planning, risk management, and ensuring fiscal discipline. His work ensures that AB India remains financially strong and well prepared for the future. Alongside these executive leaders, ABB India also benefits from the domain-specific expertise of several division presidents, each heading key business areas. Kiran Dutt, President, Electrification Products. Kiran Dutt leads the Electrification Products division, which delivers essential solutions that power homes, businesses, and cities across India. From switchgear to smart distribution systems, his division plays a central role in modernizing the country's energy infrastructure. Sanjeev Arora, President, Motion Markets. Sanjeev Arora heads the Motion Markets division, which focuses on electric motors and drives, technologies that keep machines, factories, and industrial systems running efficiently. His work contributes significantly to energy efficiency and productivity in the industrial sector. Subrata Kamakar, President, Robotics. Subra Kamakar leads the Robotics division, a field at the cutting edge of automation. His team brings advanced robotic solutions to industries like automotive, electronics, and logistics, helping Indian businesses adopt the future of manufacturing. G. Balaji, President, Energy Industries Division, Process Automation. G. Balaji oversees the process automation business within the Energy Industries Division. His area focuses on advanced control and automation systems that optimize operations in sectors such as oil and gas, power generation, and water treatment. Together, this leadership team combines global vision with deep local insight. Each of them plays a vital role in ensuring that ABB India continues to innovate, grow, and contribute meaningfully to the country's industrial and technological development. Understanding ABB India's ownership and financial health. As of June 2024, ABB India isn't just a leading name in power and automation, it's also a company with a solid foundation both in terms of ownership and finances. Here's a simple breakdown of who owns ABB India and how financially strong it is today. Who owns AB India? Shareholding pattern. As of 2024, AB India's ownership is structured as follows. Promoters: Asea Brown Boveri Limited holds a commanding 75% stake in ABB India. This majority holding means the global ABB group has a strong and direct influence over the company's operations and direction in India. Foreign institutional investors. First, these are overseas investment firms and funds that hold 12.06% of the shares. Their participation reflects international confidence in ABB India's potential. Domestic institutional investors (DIIs). These are large Indian financial entities like mutual funds and insurance companies. They hold 5.64% of the company, showing strong local institutional backing. Public shareholders, retail investors, and individuals from across India own the remaining 7.29% of the shares, making them a small but important part of the company's investor base. In total, ABB India has 132,505 outstanding. How healthy are AB's finances? AB India maintains a very strong financial position, both in its standalone performance, looking at just the Indian business, and on a consolidated level, which includes ABB India along with its subsidiaries and related businesses. Standalone financial snapshot: debt 49.0 crore, cash reserves 4,816.17 crore. This means that ABB India on its own is sitting on a massive cash reserve while keeping its debt low, a sign of excellent financial discipline and strong liquidity. Consolidated financial snapshot: market capitalization 166,1913 crore. This is the total value of all AB India shares combined, based on the stock market's valuation. Total debt 327.68 crore, total cash 86.84 crore on a group-wide level. AB India remains in a stable financial position with manageable debt levels and consistent market value. In simple terms, AB India is a company with strong global backing, trusted by investors both in India and abroad. It has minimal debt, plenty of cash in hand, and a market value that reflects its leadership in the energy, automation, and technology sectors. Whether you're an investor or just curious, ABB India's financial health is a strong indicator of its long-term stability and growth potential. What does ABB India do? A deep dive into its products, services, and industries. ABB India isn't just another industrial company, it's a powerhouse of innovation that plays a crucial role in electrifying infrastructure, driving automation, powering industries, and bringing cutting edge robotics to life. Its operations are spread across multiple business segments, each contributing to the advancement of both traditional and modern industries. Business segments where ABB India operates: 1. Electrification, 41% of business. This is ABB India's largest business segment. It focuses on delivering smart, connected, and safe electrical solutions, especially in the low and medium voltage range. Think of the systems that power your buildings: electric vehicle (EV), charging stations, solar inverters for clean energy, and even automated substations that control electricity flow across cities. AB makes all of that and more. Key solutions include digital EV charging infrastructure, solar power inverters, modular substations, distribution automation systems. 2. Motion, 32% of business. ABB is the world's largest supplier of motors and drives, and this segment is all about keeping things moving, literally. Whether it's in factories, elevators, or electric vehicles, ABB provides the motors, generators, and drive systems that power movement. This includes both traditional machines and advanced digital powertrains. Core offerings: electric motors and generators, variable speed drives, integrated powertrain systems with digital monitoring services for maintaining motion equipment. 3. Process automation, 22% of business. This segment focuses on industries where precision, safety, and reliability are crucial, like oil and gas, chemicals, and water treatment. ABB offers complete automation and electrification solutions tailored to specific industries, helping clients run complex processes efficiently. Solutions include industrial control systems, specialized software and services, industry-specific automation packages, digital platforms for monitoring and optimization. 4. Robotics and discrete automation, 4% of business. While smaller in revenue share, this segment is on the cutting edge of technology. ABB provides advanced robotics and automation solutions used in high-speed manufacturing environments such as automotive assembly lines, electronics, and packaging. Solutions include industrial robots, factory automation systems, machine automation, value-added robotic services, where the money comes from. Revenue split in EY 2023 products: 76%. The largest chunk of revenue comes from products like motors, drives, and automation hardware that ABB manufactures and sells. Services: 14%. ABB also offers expert services to keep systems running, like maintenance, upgrade, diagnostics, and life cycle management. Projects: 10%. ABB takes on large-scale engineering and infrastructure projects involving custom installations and turnkey automation solutions. What ABB India makes: products and solutions. Here's a sample of ABB's diverse product portfolio: electric vehicle charging stations, motors and generators, drives and power converters, low and medium voltage systems, UPS and power conditioning units, PLC automation and control systems, industrial robotics, measurement and analytics tools, turbocharging and power electronics, control room and operations management software. Who uses ABB's products? The industries served. ABB India serves a wide spectrum of industries, essentially powering the backbone of industrial and urban India. Heavy industries: aluminium, cement, mining, metals, oil and gas, pulp and paper manufacturing and automation. Automotive, chemical, food and beverage, printing, utilities and infrastructure. Power generation: wind and solar energy, smart cities, water transport and logistics, railways, marine, ports, modern infrastructure, data centers, life sciences, building sales network, channel partners across India help bring ABB's products closer to local market service offerings. Beyond just products, ABB doesn't stop at manufacturing. It ensures customers get the most out of their systems with world-class services, rapid response, fast assistance and repairs during critical breakdowns, lifecycle management, keeping products and systems reliable throughout their lifespan, performance improvement, upgrades and improvements for better efficiency and cost savings, operational excellence, consultancy, and digital tools that optimize how systems run. In summary, AB India is not only an engineering leader, it's a critical enabler of modern living, industrial productivity, and clean energy transformation. Whether it's a motor spinning in a factory, a robot assembling a car, or a solar inverter powering a home, ABB's technology is quietly working behind the scenes across almost every major sector of the economy. Where AB India operates, a national footprint backed by global strength behind ABB India's cutting-edge technology and powerful solutions lies a widespread network of offices, plants, campuses, and innovation centers. With deep roots across the country and a growing global reach, ABB India's physical presence is a major reason for its consistent success. Headquarters ABB India's corporate headquarters is based in Bengaluru, Karnataka, a city often called the Silicon Valley of India. From here, strategic decisions, innovation roadmaps, and corporate operations are directed. Manufacturing might, plants and campuses AB India has built a strong manufacturing backbone across the country. With 5 key manufacturing locations housing 25 plants, the company ensures its products from motors to control systems are made close to where they are needed. Here, AB India's major manufacturing campuses, Maneb Campus, Vadodara, Gujarat, one of AB's largest facilities supporting heavy electrical manufacturing and testing. Faridabad Campus, Haryana, a key site for producing low-voltage systems and other electrical components. Peenya Campus, Bengaluru, Karnataka, located within the industrial belt of Peenya. This site supports advanced product assembly and testing. It also houses part of the head office. Nelamangala Campus, Bengaluru, Karnataka, a state-of-the-art facility known for energy-efficient systems and product innovation. Nashik Campus, Maharashtra specializes in smart electrification solutions, contributing to ABB's green energy mission. Innovation and Services Hub, ABB's strength doesn't stop at manufacturing, it extends into cutting-edge research and support. AB Innovation Center, AIC, Hyderabad. This center develops software, digital tools, and automation platforms for global and Indian markets. ABB Innovation Center, AIC, Whitefield, Bengaluru hub for R&D focused on advanced robotic and Industry 4.0 solutions. AB Services Hub, Bengaluru, a centralized facility offering technical support, remote diagnostics, and customer service excellence across industries. Sales and reach to stay close to customers across the country. AB India has 28 sales offices spread across metros and industrial cities, a network of 750 plus channel partners to ensure local availability and support a growing workforce of over 9,500 colleagues who bring ABB's mission to life every day where the business comes from. Geographic revenue split CY 2023. ABB India's business is primarily focused on the domestic market. In India, 90% of the revenue comes from within the country, reflecting the company's strong local presence and relevance across sectors. Rest of the world row 10% comes from exports and international operations, especially through engineering services and product delivery to global ABB clients. In summary, AB India is not just a corporate entity, it's a nationwide network of innovation, manufacturing, service, and collaboration. With strategic locations across India, a solid domestic base, and a growing international footprint, ABB India continues to empower industries, cities, and communities through smart, reliable, and sustainable technology. History timeline 1997 economic conditions. Sales and income fell to 10,842 million rupees from 11,856 million rupees due to sluggish economic conditions. Power generation achievements. completed combined cycle power plant for GVK Industries on schedule, secured rehabilitation project for Panipat power plant, finalized EPC contract for 2 by 535 megawatts project with Daewoo Power, Korba. Industrial and building systems slowed revenue growth due to core sector deceleration. Commissioned process control system for Reliance Industries at Hazira, transmission and distribution. Maintained leadership in switchgear and substations. Introduced 72.5V switchgears for the US market and indigenous static relays. Commissioned major substations for Andhra Pradesh State Electricity Board and Bhushan Steel Limited. Financials: profit before tax decreased by 30% to 863.5 million rupees. Profit after tax was 648.5 million rupees, down from 1,549 million rupees. Foreign exchange earnings increased to 1,419 million rupees. Order book order the 19,365 million. Order backlog at year-end was 20,762 million rupees. Future prospects: commissioning new transformer project in Vadodara in Q3 1998. Positioned for growth as the economy recovers. Environmental compliance: achieved ISO 4001 certification for the Nasik unit, completed environmental audits, and implemented pollution control measures. 1998 economic conditions. Sales and income fell to 8,934 million rupees from 10,842 million rupees due to economic deceleration. Power generation: no major projects executed due to financial delays. Major order for power plant controls commissioned for Indian Oil Corporation. Introduced new back pressure technology turbines. Key orders include electrostatic precipitators for Jindal Vijayanagar Steel and ash handling systems for NTPC. Transmission and distribution. Revenue stable despite market difficulties. Significant 87% growth in export of HV apparatus and PLCC equipment. Completed new power transformer manufacturing facility. Industrial and building systems. Major orders include automation systems for HPCL and Tata Iron and Steel and ventilation system for Maruti Udyog. Commissioned automation system for Indian Oil Corporation. Financials: profit before tax decreased to 492.3 million rupees. Profit after tax was 377.3 million rupees. Orders received dropped to 7,295 million rupees. Order book Order backlog at year-end was 18,992 million rupees. Future prospects: anticipated growth from major power projects in the private sector. Expected financial closure and execution of two major power projects in 1999. Environmental compliance: continued compliance with environmental standards in all factories. Maneya unit recommended for MS ISO 1401 certification. 1999 demerger: transferred power generation business to UP Alstom Power India Limited. Financial performance: sales 7,934 million rupees. Profit before tax 532 million rupees. Order book 7,410 million rupees. Growth areas: increased orders in automation and power transmission segments. Future prospects: anticipated investment in power infrastructure and industrial sectors. 2000 financial performance: orders received increased by 52%, reaching Rs 11,277 million. Sales grew by 5% to 8,068 million rupees. Profit growth: profit before tax rose to 705 million rupees. Profit after tax increased significantly to 540 million rupees. Sector involvement: active in power, industrial and oil, gas and petrochemical sectors, offering complete solutions and innovative technologies. Debentures and deposits: redeemed final installment of 17 million rupees on non-convertible debentures. Unclaimed fixed deposits: 1,308,000 rupees as of year-end, with 250,000 rupees claimed and paid. Environmental compliance: achieved ISO 14001 certification for all manufacturing units with initiatives to reduce resource consumption and manage hazardous waste. Customer-centric organization focused on creating value for customers, shareholders, employees, and communities through innovative solutions and quality excellence. 2001 amalgamation merged with Introl India Limited, AB Instrumentation Limited, AB Lensom Service Limited, and AB Analytical Limited issued new equity and preference shares, increasing share capital to 498 rupees 8 million. Financial performance: orders received 10,920 million rupees. Order backlog 7,750 million rupees, up from 7,034 million rupees. Sales and income 10,558 million rupees, a 31% increase. Profit before tax 851 million rupees, up from 705 million rupees. Profit after tax 655 million rupees, up from 540 million rupees. Divestment: decided to divest air handling equipment business. Preference shares: decided to redeem 750,000 preference shares totaling 75 million rupees. Fixed deposits: unclaimed fixed deposits 857,000 rupees as of year end. Environmental compliance: continued focus on energy conservation, technology absorption, and compliance with environmental standards. 2002 dividend: recommended dividend 6 rupees per equity share, up from 5 rupees. Paid 4,813,000 rupees as dividend on preference shares. Financial performance: orders received 13,050 million rupees, 20% increase. Order backlog 8,794 million rupees, up from 7,750 million rupees. Sales and income 12,006 million rupees, a 14% increase. Profit before tax 1,230 million rupees, up from 851 million rupees. Profit after tax 971 million rupees, up from 653 million rupees. Capital gain from divestment of air handling business 158 million rupees. Divestment: air handling equipment business sold for 259 million rupees. Invested 215 million rupees in bonds to avoid capital gains tax. Decided to divest metering business to Rurgas Industries GmbH. Corporate changes: company name to ABB Limited. Registered office moved from Maharashtra to Karnataka. Redemption of preference shares: redeemed 750,000 preference shares at par, totaling 75 million rupees. Investor protection: transferred 2,051,000 rupees of unclaimed fixed deposits and debentures to the Investor Education and Protection Fund. Fixed deposits: 59,000 rupees in fixed deposits remained unclaimed as of year end. 2003 dividend 6 rupees per equity share, same as the previous year. Financial performance: orders received 17,054 million rupees, 31% increase. Order backlog 10,710 million rupees, up from 8,794 million rupees. Sales and income 15,031 million rupees, a 25% increase. Profit before tax and extraordinary item 1,529 million rupees, up from 1,230 million rupees. Capital gain from divestment of metering business 233 million rupees. Profit after tax 1,242 million rupees, up from 972 million rupees. Divestment: metering business sold to Elster Metering Private Limited for 407 million rupees. Invested 310 million rupees in specified assets to avoid capital gains tax. Corporate changes: company name changed to ABB Limited effective from April 16, 2003. Registered office moved from Mumbai to Bangalore on November 27, 2003. Investor protection: transferred 470,676 rupees of unclaimed amounts to the Investor Education and Protection Fund. Fixed deposits: 6,000 rupees in fixed deposits remained unclaimed as of year end. 2004 dividend 7 rupees per equity share, up from 6 rupees the previous year. Financial performance: orders received 25,878 million rupees, 52% increase. Order backlog 13,356 million rupees, up from 10,710 million rupees. Sales and income 23,056 million rupees, a 53% increase. Profit before tax and exceptional item 2,365 million rupees, up from 1,529 million rupees. Capital gain from divestment of control valve business 38 million rupees. Profit after tax 1,543 million rupees, up from 1,242 million rupees. Divestment: control valves business sold to Kent&Tro Private Limited on July 12, 2004. Gain on divestment 38 million rupees. Corporate changes: change of registrar and transfer agents from Tata Consultancy Services Limited to Karvi Computershare Private Limited. Directors and governance: Mr. Boon Kiat Sim and Mr. Arn Bardwaj resigned. Mr. Tom Eric Shokvist appointed. Mr. Dinesh Paliwal and Mr. N.S. Raghavan retire by rotation and offer themselves for reappointment. 2005 dividend 8 rupees per equity share, up from 7 rupees the previous year. Financial performance: orders received 37,645 million rupees, 45% increase. Order backlog 20,032 million rupees, up from 13,356 million rupees. Sales and income 30,141 million rupees, 31% increase. Profit before tax and exceptional item 3,395 million rupees, up from 2,365 million rupees. Profit after tax 2,187 million rupees, a 42% increase. Earnings per share 51.60 rupees, up from 36.41 rupees. Operational performance: significant improvement in both power and automation technology segments. Investor protection: transferred 549,315 rupees of unclaimed dividends to the Investor Education and Protection Fund. 2006 significant expansion: set up new manufacturing units in Bangalore and Haridwar, expanded existing plants and modernized facilities. Product and market growth: expanded product portfolio, introduced new products, and increased market penetration. Brand focus: strengthened research base in India with Global Engineering and Operations Center. Major projects: executed key transmission and distribution substation projects for PGCIL and other utilities. Sustainability initiatives: advanced sustainability programs and enhanced environmental and social impacts. Automation success: implemented major automation solutions for industrial sectors including oil, gas, steel, and cement. Capacity enhancement: augmented manufacturing and engineering capacities to meet growing demand. 2007 orders received 36% increase, reaching 76,682 million rupees. Division of shares: each 10 rupees share split into 5 rupees 2 shares. Process automation: expanded into turbocharging and marine propulsion, new automation solutions for industries. Automation products: new product lines, significant expansion of manufacturing capacities. Robotics: provided advanced robotic solutions for automotive and manufacturing. ERP upgrade: implemented MySAP Business Suite with new modules. International expansion: boosted exports and established new service stations abroad. 2008 order growth: orders increased by 5% to 80,541 million rupees, with notable growth in power products and automation products. Order backlog: order backlog grew by 23% to 61,618 million rupees. Revenue increase: revenue rose by 16% to 69,675 million rupees. Profit growth: profit before tax up by 10% to 8,332 million rupees. Net profit after tax increased by 11% to 5,474 million rupees. Capacity expansion: significant investment in manufacturing capacities and new product introductions. Sector focus, continued emphasis on power generation, transmission, and distribution despite economic challenges. International projects, strong growth in export orders and revenues with key international projects commissioned. Operational efficiency, implementation of cost optimization measures and improved project management. 2009 expansion in manufacturing, completed major expansion projects and new facilities, enhancing capabilities for power transformers and circuit breakers. New product introductions, launched new products across segments including high voltage switchgears and power electronics. Large orders secured, received significant contracts in power systems and automation, including major transmission substations and high current rectifiers. Exit from rural electrification, decision to exit the rural electrification business to focus on core areas, focus on safety and efficiency, increased emphasis on safety at project sites, and introduced world-class project management systems. 2010 acquired Metzis Engineering and Consultancy Pvt Limited for expanding engineering services in the metal industry. Promoter company AB Asea Brown Boveri Limited increased its stake from 50.11% to 75%, successfully commissioned new manufacturing facilities and completed planned expansion projects, introduced several new products and continued to expand the range of offerings, reorganized business segments for better focus and synergy, split automation products into discrete automation and motion and low voltage product segment, moved instrumentation business to process automation, merged robotic systems with discrete automation and motion. Major project commissions included Delhi International Airport's electrical and automation solutions, Bangalore Metro DC traction system, and Reach 1 power trial run, established a dedicated factory for wind generators at Vadodara, expanded channel partner network, enhancing market reach. Business timeline 2011 operations. Continued focus on delivering high efficiency power and automation solutions, induction of specialists for technology and operations. Major projects secured large orders including the PGCIL Nigra HVDC Pranisolux, commissioned electrical systems for Bangalore Metro Rail project and SCADA system for Reliance Industries refinery. Customer engagement, hosted Automation and Power World APW event in Delhi, launched Net Promoter Scores NPS program for customer satisfaction surveys. Acquisitions, acquired operating businesses from ABB Global Industries and Services Limited, acquired 100% equity shares in Baldor Electric India Private Limited. 2012 orders secured, won notable orders in solar power and energy efficiency sectors, including a significant order from Power Grid Corporation of India Limited for HVDC project and a major solar power project. Subsidiary activity, acquired preference shares of Baldor Electric India Private Limited and initiated the amalgamation process pending court approval. Service business growth, focused on enhancing service offerings, including signing the first annual maintenance contract for a solar power plant and a MOU with SAIL for extensive personnel training. Exports, expanded export markets with significant orders for medium and high voltage products across multiple countries. Operational excellence, implemented initiatives for supply chain efficiency, operational excellence, and customer satisfaction improvements across manufacturing locations. New product and market development focused on advanced service solutions such as remote monitoring and upgrades, and enhanced the product portfolio in the solar and energy sectors. 2013 project completions, successfully commissioned several major projects including a 765 400 kV substation for Power Grid Corporation of India and a 2 by 25 megawatt solar PV project for Mahagenco in Maharashtra. New capacity, added new factories for gas insulated switchgears, plug and switch systems and distribution transformers at Savli, along with a new miniature circuit breaker line at Nelamangala. Amalgamation, successfully merged Border Electric India Private Limited, a wholly owned subsidiary, into ABB India. Service expansion, signed a training MOU with Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited and improved customer engagement with an enhanced service portfolio. Export growth. Significant increase in exports with major orders for medium voltage products and transformers across Europe, the Middle East, and other regions. Operational initiatives focused on supply chain efficiencies, project management, and localization efforts leading to improved execution and profitability. Innovation introduced new products including solar pumps and expanded ranges in variable speed drives. 2014 new product launches introduced innovative products like solar pump drives and engineered substation packages. Technology milestones achieved local manufacturing of the first 420 kV GGIS and 1200 kV circuit breaker. Expansion in new markets entered Myanmar and secured repeat orders from Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. Export growth all-time high growth in export orders with significant projects in Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and Indonesia. Service business recognized as the most valued partner in MRO from Tata Steel. Strengthened service engagement with major customers. Operational excellence implemented incremental product management, leaner processes, and sustainable supply chain management. Customer focus, enhanced local content and new manufacturing lines, expanded presence in emerging growth areas like renewable energy and efficient transportation. 2015 orders secured, received significant orders including major utility projects, substations, and renewable energy solutions. New market penetration entered new markets with innovative products and solutions, including expansion in Saudi Arabia and the Middle East. Operational excellence implemented the next level strategy focusing on internal operational excellence, reducing material costs and improving productivity. Renewable energy extensive participation in the renewable energy sector, delivering solutions for solar power projects. Service business growth achieved double-digit growth in service revenue through customer engagement and tailored solutions. Product development launched new products and technology advancements such as solar inverters and switchgears. Global partnerships forged strategic global partnerships to enhance market reach and technological capabilities. Infrastructure projects contributed to significant infrastructure projects, including the modernization of railways and automation solutions for ports and factories. Export expansion expanded exports to untapped markets in Africa, Latin America, and Asia. Customer engagement strengthened service engagement with major customers like PGCIL, NTPC, Tata Group, and others. 2016 increased orders secured notable new orders, including large-scale projects in power transmission and renewables. Expansion in solar sector doubled the capacity of the solar inverter factory in Bengaluru. Strategic partnerships formed global partnerships with Microsoft for digital industrial transformation and IIT Madras for microgrid development. Innovation commissioned the world's largest single-location solar power plant at Kamuthi. Market expansion expanded exports to Africa and consolidated presence in the Middle East. Operational efficiency focused on enhancing operational efficiency and reducing material costs. New product launches introduced new solar inverters and advanced motor designs. 2017 strategic partnerships acquired Bandar for machine and factory automation and partnered with IBM for digital solutions. Export success secured major projects including metro infrastructure in Bangkok, a 400 kV GIS substation in Nepal, and a 650 megawatts power plant in Indonesia. Technological advances launched ABB Ability platform, introduced new products like ACS 880 drives and MK slip ring motors. Operational milestones commissioned the world's first multi-terminal ultra-high voltage DC link and successfully tested 765 kV transformers. Recognition received Karnataka government's award for restoration of Sharavati hydroelectric power plant. 2018 new facilities opened smart factories in Nashik and Bengaluru and a power technology experience center (TC). Major acquisitions completed acquisition of GE Industrial Solutions. Innovations launched the world's fastest car charger and the first autonomous passenger ferry pilot. Strategic partnerships signed agreements with NITI Aayog and IIT Roorkee for digitalization and smart city technologies. Digital solutions implemented digital invoicing, Six Sigma certification drive and lean principles across manufacturing facilities. Notable projects: Power grids secured orders for Mumbai Metro Line 3 and power quality solutions for the dedicated freight corridor project. Robotics and motion received breakthrough orders for traction motors from Indian Railways and participated in the Statue of Unity project. 2019 Power Grid Demerger successfully completed the demerger of Power Grid's business, establishing ABB Power Products and Systems India Limited. New digital solutions launched several digital innovations including Emax 2 digital circuit breakers, DG Sampler 2.0 for real-time condition monitoring, and Mine Optimize for mining companies. Smart factory expansion enhanced India's first digital smart factory in Bengaluru and Nashik and opened a new COE for global advanced digital services. Major projects secured significant orders for Pune, Bangalore and Mumbai metro projects. Secured largest order for LBS for Tata Steel's expansion. Notable order for power distribution at Sri Matata Vaishno Dane Board. Key orders for data center automation and smart city projects in Ujjain and Ranchi. Strategic partnerships signed MOU with a major distribution company to improve power distribution and engage with Nobel Media Organization. World's largest lift irrigation project commissioned equipment for the Kaleshwaram lift irrigation project in Telangana. 2020 digital transformation enhanced customer engagement through virtual product testing, webinars, and online business models. New facilities opened a new robotics facility and customer experience center to support digital manufacturing. Key projects: electrification for Namami Gange Kaleshwaram project and smart city mission. E-commerce launch introduced AB eMart with 6,000 plus products listed. Innovations launched antibacterial switches, high output motors, and wireless smart sensors. Remote solutions commissioned projects remotely, including converting a training college into a COVID isolation ward within 48 hours. Strategic orders secured significant orders from Kochi Metro, Lucknow Airport, and international projects in Bangladesh and Kuwait. 2021 new product launches: ABB introduced a vacuum circuit breaker and a 33 VGIS substation for hyperscale data center in Noida. ABB launched Prime Gear 11 kGIS for Varanasi and eMart for online marketplace sales. Significant orders: major order for the world's second largest loop plant, breakthrough contract for supply and installation of electrical equipment for Chennai Metro, and the first semi-high speed rail project in India. Substantial order for energy-efficient drives for Bharat Biotech supporting vaccine production. Strategic moves: completion of demerger of the power grids business and divestment of mechanical power transmission business. Expansion of Faridabad facility with new product introductions and 100% renewable energy use. AI-enabled Disha building launched, emphasizing energy efficiency and integrated building management. Project milestones: commissioned ACS 560 drives at Bharat Biotech's facility for Covaxin production. Key projects in data centers, smart cities, and EV charging infrastructure. 2022 facility expansions inaugurate state-of-the-art facilities in Bangalore, Vadodara, and Bengaluru, focusing on sustainable and digital solutions. Notable projects: Pune Metro com 25 kV GIS for revenue service operations. World's highest rail bridge secured 33 kV Fensport significant GIS and CES orders. Data centers supplied low voltage products for a major IGBC platinum rated green building in Hyderabad. Technology deployments: automation, large automation package for a major steel manufacturer. Smart instrumentation opened first smart instrumentation factory in Bengaluru. Sustainability achievements: green power achieved RE100 commitment with renewable electricity across all manufacturing locations. Waste management recycled 95% of waste and improved water recyclability by 14%. 2023 infrastructure projects secured key projects including components for the highest rail bridge and Asia's second longest sea link. Green hydrogen and ethanol production engaged in green hydrogen projects and ethanol production initiatives. Technological innovations launched the Megaflex TPA UPS and ABB Ability Smart Master for asset performance management. New facilities opened modernized switchgear factory in Nashik and new production lines for energy efficient drives. Expansion in Tier 2 and 3 cities. Increased presence across smaller cities and hosted 30 plus AB Technology Days. Major service orders received a large service contract for Pan India HMI upgrades and cybersecurity solutions. Financials profit growth. Significant increase in net profit from 137 crore in 2012 to 1240 crore in 2023. EPS surge. EPS almost 9 times higher from 648 in 2012 to 58.61 in 2023. Operating profit margin improved from 5% in 2012 to 14% in 2023. Dividend payout increased significantly to 41% in 2023 from 46% in 2012. Debt management borrowings reduced from 328 crore in 2012 to 49 crore in 2023. Asset growth, strong increase in total assets and reserves, indicating robust financial health. Consistent innovation, continuous investment in fixed assets and R&D, reflecting ongoing innovation. Sales growth to rose exceptional profit surge. Profit nearly 10x from 137 crore in 2012 to 1242 crore in 2023. High NPM and ROS. Net profit margin and return on capital employed hit peaks of 12% and 30% respectively in 2023. Consistent innovation. Robust EBIT growth reflecting strong operational improvements and efficiency. Resilient growth. Sales growth rebounded strongly to 21.93% in 2023 after prior volatility. Strategic asset management. Significant asset increase aligns with strategic expansions and innovation investments. SWOT analysis strength, strong global brand reputation, diverse product portfolio across electrification, motion, process automation, and robotics. Significant R&D investments and innovation. Large market presence with extensive manufacturing and service network. Weaknesses: high dependency on the Indian market, 90% revenue from India. Complexity in managing multiple business segments and geographical regions. Exposure to global economic fluctuations and market volatility. Opportunities: growth in renewable energy and smart grid technologies. Expansion into emerging markets and new sectors, e.g., electric vehicle infrastructure. Increasing demand for automation and digitalization solutions. Threat: intense competition from global and local players. Regulatory and environmental challenges. Risks: related economic downturns and geopolitical tensions. AB India stands as a robust, innovation-driven company with deep roots in the country and strong global backing. With a diversified business across electrification, automation, motion and robotics, a solid financial foundation, and a wide operational footprint, AB India is well positioned to lead the future of sustainable and smart industrial solutions in India and beyond. That wraps up our quick look at AB India. This content is part of academic research and should not be considered investment advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.